Hello employers. Have you heard of the new mandatory registration for companies in Haryana under the Haryana Udyam Memorandum? Sequel will help you to understand what is Haryana Udyam Memorandum. HUM is a portal introduced to give unique IDs to all commercial enterprises in Haryana and to create a database of all employees engaged in these enterprises in Haryana. The Haryana government plans to integrate the Haryana Enterprises Promotion Centre HEPC portal and Labour Department portal with the HUM portal. Hence, registering your company with the HUM ID is mandatory before your company can avail services provided by the HEPC or Haryana Labour Department. The database of employees created under HUM is meant to help the Haryana government to provide state government benefits directly to the accounts of employees in case of any unforeseen future event which leads to lockdown and makes workers penniless. The requirement of recording the details of family ID during registration under HUM portal has not been made a mandate as on date. However, when the state government comes up with worker welfare schemes or notifies the integration of Labour Department and HEPC portal, the family ID may be made compulsory. You can register your company in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Sign up to the portal as enterprise user. Step 2. Log in and register your enterprise under the portal. Step 3. Create employee database and save it in the portal. So let's get started with step 1, signing up. Go to the website www.harudyam.edisha.gov.in. Click option Sign up as enterprise for proprietor, owner, authorized director or employee. Fill in all the required details such as username, user type, designation, Aadhaar, mobile number and email ID. Click Save and Continue. Yes, Aadhaar is a mandatory requirement for registration under this portal for a quick verification. Let's proceed with step 2, enterprise registration. Log into the portal with your mobile number and OTP. Fill the form for enterprise registration with name and address of enterprise, registration number, type in size of enterprise, number of units in Haryana. If you have GST number, fill in the GST details. Put basic information performa number and NIC code, which is National Industrial Classification Code. Fill the registered address of the enterprise and submit your form. Ta-da! Your enterprise is registered now. At this point of time, another unit to the same enterprise or a unit level user can be added or created. You can add another unit by simply clicking to add more units option or by following the steps unit management, create unit, fill details and submit. A unit level user can be created by simply clicking to the option add more unit users or follow the steps unit management, create unit user. After the successful registration of the enterprise, now is the time to create a database of your employees through step 3. Log in as enterprise user or unit level user. Add employee details for unit. Fill the required employee details as shown in screenshot from HUM portal. For a bulk employee registration, feed in the employee data in an Excel and import the file to the portal. Find the bulk data uploading sheet attached here. If you wish to activate or deactivate a single employee, click to the Employee Management tab. Then go to Activate, Deactivate Employee tab and finally click to the Update Status tab. To transfer an employee to another unit of the same enterprise, click Employee Management, go to the Transfer within Enterprise tab, select the employee to be transferred and choose the unit where being transferred.
Make your company's compliance system agile enough to beat any pandemic or criticality. Sequel has you covered. With our cloud compliance tool, Cloud Audit for company and vendor, and a robust central audit team, 100% labor compliance is no longer a dream. If you have the will, we have the way. Call SQL now for a demo on how we can take your labor and employment compliance to new heights. Thanks for watching.